are all having a great weekend so far, and today we are going to be doing some errands. We're going to be doing some returns and maybe a little bit of shopping, and then I'm going to take you back to my house and do some cleaning, and I don't know what else, but we'll figure something out.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old way.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and filmed my errands at those stores, and now I'm at Best Buy and I'm going to see if they have anything as far as like holders for cameras and just stuff that'll help me stabilize my camera a little bit better. So just see what they have and let's go. I think this is the one I need. Alright guys, so this is what I use to do my vlogging in the car. I just use this little clip. I think it was probably like $9 or $10 from Amazon. They have all different kinds. This part just sticks to it, and it has a little clamp to secure the section of it. So that's what I use for the car, but I really needed something that I can kind of walk around the room with. And so this is what I got, and I showed you guys this at the store. Alright, so this right here is perfect for your actual camera, because I don't even use my camcorder anymore. It's kind of old. The resolution's not that great. So this is what I ideally was wanting for a long time, but they're kind of pricey. I got like a knockoff at Amazon, and it didn't work that great. So I got this, and I'm really happy about it. I think it's going to end up helping me a lot with like kitchen vlogs and like holding the phone. And then you're just walking around my house and showing you guys stuff. It'll help me to edit a little bit better, and overall I think it's gonna be great. Alright guys, so I want to share this shirt that I got from a girl off Instagram. She has her own little company on there. She has t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, pretty much everything in so many different colors and quotes. It's just a great brand altogether, but you guys need to check her out. What are you doing? Did you go to Best Buy and get something, Zara? There's no treats in there. There's no treats in there. What are you doing? Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when I just kind of have it held. But yeah, you can pivot it and you can do whatever you want. So check out Best Buy if this is something you're into. What are you doing, mister? Cosmo, is it nap time? Cosmo, you're cute. This is the mic I've been using. I believe it is the Blue Yeti mic. It's so easy to hook up to your computer. But yeah, has great sound for voiceovers and stuff like that. Alright guys, so in case you are wondering what I use for lighting, this is a great option right here. To have like a good amount of brightness and have those thumbnails really looking good where people will want to click on them. This is what you use. I did take like a 6-month break off of YouTube, and I'm trying to like rebuild the channel, do different things, not so many reviews. But I know some of you guys want to do YouTube too, so that is something you guys will probably want to invest in. Okay, so over here I want to show you something that has nothing to do with tech or really YouTube or anything like that, but let me show you. Alright, so over here is a really inexpensive and cheap way of decorating your laptop or MacBook, whatever you have. It definitely doesn't have to be a MacBook. I haven't ever had a MacBook until now. But yeah, so this is something you can do. We have these little stickers on here. They're kind of like decals that come off really easily. They don't leave any residue. Obviously I wouldn't be just sticking any stickers and kind of ruining the MacBook because it's just too expensive to kind of like degrade like that. But yeah, check it out. They have little stars and planets. Just has a little nice aesthetic and vibe to it. What are you doing? And she took over the video. Alright, so something that I need y'all's help on. I've been trying to figure out how to organize this closet. I've got way too many clothes. I have a lot of stuff over here that is just so bulky, and it's just pants down here. I don't know if you guys can see this. And then shirts up here. I'm not sure if I'm just going to switch that around. And this stuff seems so superficial because I'm showing you a lot of stuff like buy this product. Here's this, here's that. But yeah, this is kind of a challenge. All right, so really quickly, what I'm meaning by trying to redo this closet. I mean, it kind of has a place for everything, but this is just not working for me. We have the back of the wall showing. It's got marks on it. I still have the November 2021 calendar. The drawers are pretty organized for the most part. And I have like my yoga pants down there. I have shoes down here. Now that's a big mess. Not really sure how to organize that. I'm thinking about doing a new video soon on how I'm, you know, kind of spring cleaning it. Like right here, you can still see the wall. This little artwork came from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for like $2. My sister gave me that right there. These are just my perfumes, and this little artwork came from, where did it come from? It came from Dollar Tree. It's really dusty, needs to be cleaned. This is where I put my kitty cat's stuff right here, different sweaters and stuff like that. But yeah. Oh, and I gotta knock off a Chanel Chance. This is the real Coco Mademoiselle right here. But I had bought this perfume off of Facebook, and oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna be real. It was like a great price, and it's completely fake. That's what it looks like. This is not even a real deal kind of bottle. You can tell it's just got a sticker on it instead of it being printed on there. It doesn't even smell like it. It smells like men's cologne that had a little bit of tint to it. But yeah, I got swindled on that for sure.
Get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep